Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're talking about the best Summer's Eve feminine spray you can get your hands on, the Summer's Eve Amber Nights Daily Refreshing Feminine Spray. This isn't just a regular product review. This is everything you need to know in under 5 minutes. First things first, what makes Amber Nights stand out? The moment you spray it, you're met with a scent that's indulgent and elegant, inspired by roses and lily of the valley. It's called Amber Nights for a reason. The fragrance is rich yet soft, perfect for giving you that confident and refreshed feeling throughout the day. This is an aerosol spray that's been carefully formulated by Summer's Eve, a brand that's been trusted for feminine hygiene for decades. The 2 ounces spray can is compact and travel-friendly, making it easy to toss in your purse or gym bag. Whether you're starting your day, heading to work, or going out in the evening, a quick spritz is all you need for a little lift. Now, let's talk formulation. This spray is talc-free, a big deal for those avoiding powders in intimate areas. It's made with Summer's Eve's exclusive safe scent formula, which means it's gentle enough for your most delicate skin. It's pH balanced, so it won't throw your body's natural chemistry out of sync. That's a key feature because not all sprays on the market consider how important it is to maintain that balance. Summer's Eve makes sure their products are safe and conscious. This feminine spray is not tested on animals and is designed for daily use. It's long-lasting too. Users say it keeps them feeling fresh for hours without having to reapply constantly. What about usage? It's super simple. You can use it right after a shower, or anytime throughout the day. Just hold the can a few inches away and spray a light amount on your external intimate area. It's fast drying, so no sticky residue or discomfort. It's designed to help neutralize odor, not just cover it up, so it genuinely makes a difference. Now, here's the catch. At the time of this review, the Amber Nights pack of 2 is unfortunately listed as unavailable on Amazon. There's no word yet on when or if it will be back in stock, which makes this product a bit elusive, but that just proves how popular and loved it is. If you ever see it back on the shelves, don't wait, grab it before it disappears again. In the meantime, you might want to check out other Summer's Eve scents or similar products from brands like Couche or Vagisil. But keep an eye out. If Amber Nights returns, it's worth picking up. So there you have it. A quick yet thorough breakdown of the Summer's Eve Amber Nights Daily Refreshing Feminine Spray. One of the best feminine sprays on the market for its scent, safety, and effectiveness. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more product insights. This is Product Critique, helping you make smarter choices, one review at a time.